In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new board on Monday.com. Whether you're just getting started with Monday.com or need a refresher, we'll walk through the process together and make sure you can easily set up your own board. This straightforward tutorial will help you organize your projects, collaborate effectively with your team, and boost your productivity. First things first, begin by logging into your Monday.com account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to sign up and create an account. Navigating to the login page is simple. Just open your web browser and head over to monday.com. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. It's always good practice to ensure your login details are secure and private, so remember your password and keep it safe. Next, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main workspace on monday.com. Here, you might see a variety of your current projects or boards. Look to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a vertical menu. Among the options here, you should notice a small plus or plus sign. This icon is essential as it's designed for adding new elements such as boards to your workspace. When you're ready, go ahead and click on this plus sign. It will prompt a drop-down menu with several options detailing what you can create. From this drop-down, select the option labeled Board. This action will trigger a few prompts to guide you through the board creation process. Creating a board is an important step because it will serve as the foundation for managing specific projects or workflows, allowing you to keep everything organized and easily accessible at any time. Now you'll be asked to provide a name for your new board. Take a moment to think about the purpose of this board and choose a name that reflects its function. This could be anything from marketing campaign or product launch to something more personal, depending on your particular needs. Giving your board a clear and descriptive name will help you and your team identify it quickly, making collaboration more efficient. After you've entered the name of your board, it's time to bring it to life by clicking on the button labeled Create Board. This is the moment where your new board becomes part of your workspace, where you can add tasks, assign team members, and customize to fit your project management needs. And there you have it. Within just a few minutes, you've created a new board on monday.com. You might now want to explore further by adding columns, integrating with apps, or adjusting settings to tailor it to your specific requirements. Congratulations, you're now ready to manage your projects with more clarity and control on monday.com. Remember that practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different setups and find what works best for you.